Hey guys, today what's going to be super helpful with your equivalent fractions is in eTools in Pearson. So if you go to Pearson and you go to Tools, you should be able to find it. I will also add directions in your Google Doc on how to find these. But I wanted to give you a quick way and directions on how to use these. So let's say I ask you today to find an equivalent fraction to um, let's say I find me an equivalent fraction to 1/2, which is something we did a lot yesterday. So if I was trying to find an equivalent fraction to 1/2, what you could do is go into eTools, and if you click 1/2, here's my 1/2. So now I want to make sure and see what ones can I drag out here to line up and to be equal the same value as 1/2. So I could try, I'm just going to try the next step, 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 isn't quite big enough to 1/2. And I know if I add a second one, it's going to be too big. So thirds doesn't work. Then I could drag my fourths up here. Okay. All right, then I have, look, 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. So I can make a note, and maybe in my assignment I would tell my teacher 1/2 equals 2/4. I could even keep going. Well, I knew thirds doesn't work, so let me try and see if, I don't think fifths would work. 6 is even, so let's try sixth. Okay, here's 1/6, 2/6, but a 3/6. Yeah, 3/6 also works, so 1/2 is equal to 2/4, and it's equal to 3/6. And I could keep going if I want to. Okay, these tools on here are going to really help you find and see equivalent fractions, because usually we would be hands-on with our tiles at school, but since we can't, this is going to be a great thing for you to use today.